Okay, so I'll show you how to set the sat nav in this Range Rover Vogue from any screen. You've got mode there, audio, video, and nav there. So into nav, destination entry there, destination entry, address, postcode. We'll go for postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and it's defaulted to numbers there. PR54, gone back to letters J, S. So that's it, PR54JS, OK. And then you've got to tell it to go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
So that's it. That's how you set the sat nav.